prominent member of both the business and social community of Citrus County. On whether or not Keeley was alone in the plane.
Don't go over there! Barb! Barb!
No! No! No!
You better get her out of here.
That's her father's plane.
Get her out of here. There's nothing she can do for her.
Come on, baby. Come on, let's get out of here. Oh, hi, Mr. Thompson.
Harry?
You're, looking for Barbara. She's lying down up there.
I drove up here as fast as I could. How's she taking it?
Huh?
How's she feel? Is she all right?
Oh, well, you know, it's kind of rough.
Yeah, it's terrible. It's just terrible. I was thinking about it all the way up.
Jerry. Oh, Jerry. We saw him. They had blankets around him, but we saw him in the plane. We saw smashed to pieces.
Now, you just try to forget it. You try to put the whole thing out of your mind, and you're not to worry about a thing. First thing you're going to do is to come home with me, because nobody should be alone at a time like this. All right?
Well, Jerry, I'm not alone.
You mean the two of you here? How's that going to look?
Well, it would look all right if we got married.
You mean without waiting?
Mr. Thompson, we figure it doesn't really matter what people think. Barbie needs me right now, and that's all that really matters, you know?
I'm afraid the two of you are not thinking very clearly after a tragedy like this, especially you are.
She needs me, Mr. Thompson.
She needs you? For what? To help get rid of the money she just inherited?
Jerry. That isn't fair. I love Barry, and Barry loves me. I won't have anybody putting him down. Not even you.
Now, look, we're all upset, all of us. Now, I'm sorry I said that. I did not mean a single word of it.
Can't they leave me alone just one day?